Well, it's a beautiful early summer morning, and I thought I'd take you for a little tour of my vegetable garden, beginning right here with my potato bag. Remember when we planted this? I shot a video of this. It feels like 2 months ago, and we filled it with potatoes, and half filled it. Then we put some more potatoes in a few weeks later, and here we are. And when they bloom, I'm going to start harvesting from the bottom. These are zinnias. And I put a few rows of zinnias in here as cut flowers. Well, this is my vegetable garden. There's some carrots that need weeding. There are some beets that need thinning, but they're coming along very nicely. They've been there for about 6 weeks now. And then there's a cut and come again salad garden right there. And you can do that. I keep sowing about every 10 days or so, not as frequently as I should. Mesclun mix and leaf lettuce. Here are a few potatoes. Here are my onions. Now the onions will be ready when the tops fall over. You can keep that in mind. Red onions, I grew them from sets, and they'll be ready in I'm going to say another month. When the tops fall over, make sure that you weed. You'll notice how that's reasonably well weeded now, and there's some weeding that needs to happen there, and there's some arugula that's gone to seed, and you're wondering, well, what's he doing with that? Well, that's going out to the chickens, and the chickens are going to enjoy that. And then I have kale, I have dazzling kale, I have curly kale, and I have Russian kale, and I'm going to show you something here. I'm going to show you. You see the holes in those leaves? Those are flea beetles. Flea beetles are enjoying my kale, and that's easy to control if you want to. I'm not all that anxious about it, but if you want to, using diatomaceous earth. And it's not a poison, it's perfectly safe for organic gardeners. And these are my snow peas, which we'll be picking in another week or so. They're in bloom, and there's my Mark's Choice lawn sprinkler, except it's not a lawn, it's a vegetable sprinkler today. Mark Cullen, a tour through the vegetable garden in early summer. Mark Cullen and Ben Cullen, markcullen.com.